Hi, my beautifuls. It's me, Sarah, the other beautiful. Today I grew wings. Do you see it? It's so pretty. I grew the wings. I did that on purpose because I'm about to fly away. I wish I could fly away like a bird. I'd fly far, far away. Anyways, it's Tuesday. It's that time again to treat yourself. I'm very excited about this because I'm always excited about food, so I don't even know why I have to explain that to you, because it's food, and I love food, and I'm excited about food. I don't care. I don't care what it is. I just love food. So what are we going to review today? Today we're going to review the new Kit Kat apple pie flavor. I got this at Walmart. Beep, boop, boop. Walmart. Wasn't sure that I was going to be able to find it because it just seems like I can't find any new stuff, but I got it. Just a disclaimer. I'm generally not a huge fan of apple flavored things. Like, I love apples. I love apple pie. But remember those caramel apple suckers? I think I probably ate too many of them when I was younger, or maybe ate 1 million of them, and now I can't do fake apple flavors like apple drinks, like apple pucker. Of course I go to alcohol, but so I don't know. We'll see if this is too much fake apple flavor or not for me, but we'll see. Before we get started, I do have to tell you a little story. So I don't know if you guys have you been watching Hamilton? We watched it, Chancey and I watched it, and then we were listening to the soundtrack like every day, all day, like we were obsessive, like one does. And so Ava became obsessed with it as well. So we let her watch it, and we skipped over the affair portion of the show. The rest of it we let her watch. Excuse me. Oh, tired. And so she sings the songs, because she loves them and they're catchy and they get in your head. So what do you do when your 8-year-old sings the Hercules Mulligan part about hearing your mother say, "Come again"? Do you let it go? Because what happens when I tell her, "Don't sing that"? And she'll say, "Why?" What do you say? You can't say "come again" because it's bad? So I just let her sing it, and I just laugh in my head and think, she'll figure it out when she gets older, and then she'll be like, "Oh my God, my parents let me sing that." Yep, we did. So that's that. The joys of having children. So, anyways, let's get to it. I'm gonna eat this Kit Kat, or at least eat part of it and see how it tastes. So it says here, crisp wafers in apple pie flavored white creme, C-R-E-M-E with little creme, naturally and artificially flavored. So it's in a white cream. I know you guys like the white cream. You sickos. I heard your mother say "come again." Here's what it looks like. It smells like apples. It smells good. It's not overly appley, which is good because I was worried. Like that green nasty ass fake apple flavor. This is really good. The apple's definitely there, but it's not bam, hit you in the face. I don't know that I'd be able to tell you this was apple pie if I didn't know it was apple pie, because it's cinnamony and it's white chocolatey, but I'm really enjoying it. Whenever I eat candy, I always think of, how can I repurpose it? And then I generally never do, but I think about it. So that counts for something. It'll be really good with some vanilla cake with some apple pie filling mixed in with said apple pie filling, I mean mixed in with the cake with a vanilla buttercream and that like crunched up on top of it. That would just be, I'll probably never ever make that, but doesn't it sound delicious? I have great ideas. They just don't ever come to fruition. So, anyways, I will give that 2 very enthusiastic thumbs up. I enjoy that, and it makes me feel like fall. And the weather outside has been like so just pleasant. Just pleasant. It doesn't feel like August. We've had our windows open. It just, so that little Kit Kat, and like I've been seeing some Halloween stuff out at places, and just makes me feel like fall. And my birthday's in the fall, so I always love that feeling, that fall feeling. Since we're not going to get to go to the Iowa State Fair this year, we can just go ahead and skip to Halloween. So that's it for Treat Yourself Tuesday. What things have you been eating? Anything new? Anything wonderful? Anything sucky? Suck-ass? Let me tell you, lest you think I like everything that I eat. I like many things. You know. I bought Ava these like Capri Sun packet things from Aldi. And you know how I feel about Aldi. It's my love. And we got them out the other day, and she took a drink and she said, this tastes weird. And I tasted it, and it tasted like pure shit. I thought it was like a Capri Sun, like juice. It said fruit punch, so I thought it was juice. No, what it was flavored water. But it was like the fruit just let a little fruit fart into the water, and there was barely any taste, and it was disgusting, and I'm going to take them back because I know they were real bad. It reminds me of those nasty drinks you all like, the LaCroix, and the White Claws that taste like shit. Like a fruit just did a little pff. It farted pff. And there's barely any taste. Oh, I don't know how you guys drink those. They're nasty. Anyways, that's my 2 cents of the shitty thing I've had this week. So don't think I like everything. I like many, not all. Anyways, that's it for today. I appreciate you watching. I'd also like to hear, are your children singing obscene things from the Hamilton musical like mine are? I'd like to hear about it. And subscribe if you would. Thumbs up this video and how you do on the YouTubes. I would love to get to 1,000 subscribers. I only have 985 to go. I would love for you to hit subscribe. Okay, I will see you next week. Thank you. Bye-bye.